being for everybody that be in my comment section saying I be capping when I say, I don't know what I'm talking about. Walked in the Foot Locker, day of release for some Kobe's, bro. Hold on. Big sizes, you know what I'm saying? And got the Kobe's right here, bro. Hold on. Let me see. Y'all, where that size tag? You look at this right here. Y'all see the size tag. 11.5 right there. Kobe Crimson, you know what I'm saying? Got the Mamba box. Y'all know what's in this box. Let me open up this thing. And you know what? Hey, look. Boom, ka, 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 pow. Boy, you hear that? Boom, ka, ka, pow. Boy, the Kobe year of the host thing. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It is another release day Saturday, and we had the Air Jordan 1 Low medium olives that dropped in the Kobe's. I ended up getting the Kobe's off of a website, Arcs and Rich. Hey, shout out to you guys. They're on the way, so that is secure. But I'm gonna head into the mall because I wasn't able to reserve these medium olives or anything like that. And I think I'll be able to go into the mall and actually cop them. But before y'all roast me in the comment section, yes, I said that they was gonna sit on a sneakers app. I did. Kinda, sorta. You know what I'm saying? They sold out, and I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. 17K, I'm shocked that they sold out like that. But regardless, if you go out into your stores, do some footwork, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to get these shoes for retail. And if you got some coupons and stuff like that, like I'm gonna use, you'll be able to get them for under retail. Cause, hey, again, this is not a bad pair. But before we get up into this vlog, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. We greatly appreciate it. Comment down below and let me know if y'all paid retail for these things. Do y'all feel like that y'all didn't want to take no chances? And if you hit on the Kobe's, even if you went for it, I know February is packed for the whole bunch of stuff, man. So a lot of people are being selective, and I don't blame y'all. But let's go ahead and see what's in the malls. Let's go.
I'm so glad I was spared like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care.
All right, so y'all, they opened up a new Foot Locker in my area, and I just want to go and check it out, see what's going on, see everything. As you guys can see, super clean, aesthetically, really nice. Foot Locker got a lot going on, Valentine's Day stuff here, but we gonna see what they actually got in store. All right, y'all, so I'm up in the new Foot Locker in the area. They got the Kobe's here. Just walked in, they got the Kobe's. Biggest size they got is 11.5, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get a pair for my brother right quick. But yeah, man, grand opening of this Foot Locker, super nice, bro. They got a lot of different stuff in here. All right, we got some jaws. Got these jaws right here. Year of the horse jaws. Some right here. I never really liked these, but they are up in here. Got the jaw section. These right here though, these is what I'm thinking about getting, the AEs. This the Christmas joints. I might pick these up too. Cause y'all know I've been talking about getting these, so I might have to pick these up too. Still 130, but I don't know many places that those are actually at. Then you have those, you got the Hardens down here. It's up in here as well. So yeah, it's a lot of heat in this store. Over here on this back wall, we do have the Griffey's joints in here. We got the Black Dot Charles Barkley's, Diamond Turds. You can get these for like 80 bucks. Yep. These Diamond Turds. We got the Pearl Foams in here, man. A lot of stuff in this store, bro. Let me tell y'all, man. We got everything in here. We have the Kobe's that did drop today. Biggest size was 11.5, but hey, y'all see them right here, bro. Super clean. You know what I'm saying? Year of the horse. Originally dropped in 2014. Back again. White insole is the biggest difference on these things, but you know what I'm saying? Nonetheless, super clean sneaker, bro. But they are in stores. Well, they're here at this location anyway, so I did tell you guys to check your stores, bro. Check your stores. They do come with the black box, as you guys can see right here. And then here's the size tag, as you guys can see. And again, I am in Foot Locker. So for those that don't think I am, you know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna go ahead and cop these. All right, kids section, just to check it out. We do have Gammas in here, bro. You know what I'm saying, for the kids. Bugs Bunnies and stuff like that. But seeing the kids in here, seeing the Gammas in here is crazy. That's crazy. Valentine's Day joints right here, as you guys can see right here. These pretty cool, bro. You know what I'm saying? They come in a couple of colorways. Got the pink joints right there. And then the black joints right there. Black joints kind of fire though. Some Valentine's Day shocks. These different. Yeah, these different. Valentine's Vomeros. Really unique stuff. And then Valentine's Day dunks, signature dunks. You know how they do. Even y'all New Balance folks right there. And then, oh, these got cute. Look at the Sambas. Exclusive. Clean. All right, y'all, so that was crazy. Bag secured, Foot Locker of the Kobe's. Now we're gonna head to JD Sports and see about these medium olives.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology.
All right, y'all, so got the medium olives and got the Kobe's, but I'm gonna go outside and see if I can't review these. Y'all, so yeah, y'all see the bag. So let's just to wrap up this video real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let's start with the JD. Let's start with these here. Let me see right here. We do have the Jordan 1 low mochas, medium olives. I'm sorry, I said mochas. Hold on, let me unwrap these because y'all know how these things go. All right, we was able to cop these today. Easy pickup, just walk in the store and grab them, you know what I'm saying? Nothing major. Super clean shoe. Y'all see the quality on these things. Really, really nice. This is a good pickup, especially using discount and points and stuff like that. So man, make sure y'all are going into your stores, bruh. And if you like the shoe, cop the shoe. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got to say about that one. All right, so that's that one. Everybody that be in my comment section saying I be capping when I say I don't know what I'm talking about. Walked in the Foot Locker, day of release for some Kobe's, bro. Hold on. Big sizes, you know what I'm saying? And got the Kobe's right here, bro. Hold on. Let me see. Y'all, where that size tag? You look at this right here. Y'all see the size tag. 11.5 right there. Kobe Crimson, you know what I'm saying? Got the Mamba box. Y'all know what's in this box. Let me open up this thing. And you know what? Hey, look. Boom, ka, 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 pow. Boy, more, you hear that? Boom, ka, ka, pow. Boy, the Kobe year of the host things. Man, hey, y'all go off into y'all stores, you know what I'm saying? See what y'all got in there. Do not sit around the house. Do not let the internet dictate and determine whether or not a shoe is going to be sold out, man. Because you never know when you walk in the stores. But I knew y'all wasn't feeling these. Bro. That's how I knew if I walked in the store, I was going to be able to cop them. Bigger size was 11.5. I ain't even going to cap like, you know, 12.5 was available. But they did have a couple of big sizes there. And it is currently, what is it, 4:30 my time, PM EST, so well after the release of these things. And that also means that they wasn't reserved all on Foot Locker, so they were available in the store. Yeah, man, but that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sense, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember everything we talk about. These Kobe's, the medium olives, the fact that I'm always right. Hey, wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit.